how to cook grilled apples. Cut up the apples just like so, 1/2 inch thick slices. We have melted butter here, and we're gonna baste the apples on both sides with a little bit of butter so that they don't burn. You can also dip it into the butter. That's easier for you. We also removed some of the pits from the apple slices. Now they're completely covered in butter. We preheat our grill to medium high. We're gonna go ahead and place the apples on one side, and you wanna cover it up and bake it for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip these apples. You wanna see those nice grill marks. And we're gonna keep them on this side for another 5 minutes covered. So we're gonna check on the apple. They look nice and tender now, and the other side has nice grill marks as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. We're gonna arrange the apple into its original shape, and in between the layers we're gonna put some honey, if you like it, and then some walnuts. Walnuts and honey are my favorite combination. And then we're adding a little bit of cinnamon. And then another slice, and the same thing. Honey, some walnuts, and then some cinnamon.